Hey there, garden enthusiasts. Ready to transform your yard into a stunning oasis? I've got some fantastic gardening hacks that'll take your garden game to the next level. Let's dive in. First up, composting. Don't just throw away your kitchen scraps. Turn them into nutrient-rich compost. Banana peels, coffee grounds, and eggshells are gold for your soil. Just mix them into your compost bin and watch your plants thrive. Next, let's talk about companion planting. Pairing certain plants together can boost growth and keep pests away. For example, basil and tomatoes are best friends. Basil repels insects that love tomatoes and it enhances the flavor too. It's like a garden super team. Now mulch. Mulching not only keeps weeds at bay but also retains moisture in the soil. Use organic mulch like leaves, straw, or wood chips. Your plants will thank you and you'll spend less time watering. Got limited space? Try vertical gardening. Use trellises, hanging pots, or even old pallets to grow your plants upwards. It's perfect for small yards or even balconies. Plus, it looks incredibly cool and modern. Watering hack. Water your garden early in the morning. This reduces evaporation and helps plants absorb moisture before the heat kicks in. It's like giving them a refreshing drink to start their day. Finally, attract pollinators. Bees, butterflies, and birds are essential for a thriving garden. Plant flowers like lavender, sunflowers, and marigolds to draw them in. Your garden will be buzzing with life in no time. There you have it. 6 simple hacks to make your garden stunning. Try them out and watch your yard transform. Happy gardening!